Okay, second try. Let's see if we have a tone and an audio on this. So what I was thinking, when we go to sticky, this is so bright. So let's go with this gray so it can be visible. And if this can be a bigger on a sticky, it will be great. Uh, all this is okay. We just need to change the AL. That's for the home page. Then we have to check the about section, about me. It's broken. Violet. We need to remove this circle. Just have her photo bright, not with this layer invisible. Same goes for all of them. In the contact, there's the agent locator. So for the contact, let's remove this again. Have a team board name and their photo there. And we will keep this. Definitely, maybe they will change it afterwards. No problem. Annual Pumpkin Fair. This is great, but if we can move this video into the middle so it's not going on to the left. And please check the rest, other mobile and other devices, and just go over the website and see if everything is working. Thanks.